Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna prepare the fender flares to cut everything out. For in the back, same for in the front. I have put some tape behind it so I can mark it easy now. Same for the left side. And on the back, still have to do it. Always start with the bottom, push it against it, put some screws in it. Same for the right side. Put a screw here, one there, and drill everything and put every time a screw in it. So everything is ready to mark. I'm gonna start with the outline from all the fenders, take them off, check how much this line is, also mark it. Then I will try to see how deep everything is on every screw and mark it, because here it's not so deep. Then connect all the lines. Just be careful that you don't cut away this one, so you can screw it under it. So you have to go in this way. Same for the other side. And for in the front, the outline, this line, and same for here. Don't go too far, just go like this so you can put a screw in it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my front bumper off, put an outline on all my fenders, measure everything, and start cutting. Front fenders are cut out, only with some sandpaper. I have to make the sharpness gone. And now the ones in the back, these are the most difficult. First I want to say, I did research for 2, 3 and more weeks to find a good example on how to do it. And I think I'm the only one in the world who is explaining on how to do it properly. So for all my time and my research, I hope you all give me a like. So pause the video right now, give me a like. Okay, back. So for you guys it will be easy. You will not have to search everywhere. You will have an example here on how to do it. So for the back ones, same like at the front, start with the outline. Take it off. Check how much this one is. So I have used a small thing with the same thickness, and I have taken it to mark it all around. So we have the outline and the inner line, so we are 100% sure where the fender flare is against it. Then we have to search where the inside is coming here. So what I did on the inside, I have put a line all around. I see people that measure it against this one, but I do it another way. I think it's easier, because now I'm just in the corner and it's coming straight. For example, if I measure it against this one, my line on the outside will be much further. So this plate, I will have to bend too much outside, and in my situation the two plates are now coming together, so I will have to bend, but not so much. And I know I will have a small corner, but that's okay. It's like you want to do it. So the next thing I do is put a line here, so I can measure in the inside and the same position the outside. Put something against it, check where your line is there. Take it outside, same position, and you can put a point there. Take the next line, You see, I have to go a little further. Take it again outside. And you can put again a point. And so go on. And the same for the other side. Then you have to connect all the points to each other to have a line. Only be careful on top. If you really measure it from the inside, you will be too high. And after this one, there's a plate here. So what I do is from here to the other side, I take 1 centimeter or a little extra. So for example, if I take this one, 1 centimeter, yes. So and from here, I go with 1 centimeter or a little extra and go to the other side. Now I have connected all the points to each other. From here 1 centimeter and again the points. So this is how you prepare everything for the measurements. I'm gonna show you a time lapse of the other side, how I measure and cut everything out. After all the cutting and making to bare metal here for weld, it's just like a piano. Okay, back to the job now. The cuts are made for bending it up easy. I also have make it to bare metal here, so you can weld it properly to each other here. So bend everything up everywhere, then put a spot weld in the corner, one here, do one there, one there. Don't start in one place and go like this, because if your plate is coming too hot, it will bend from the heat, so you have to switch from places. Also, if you are bending them, make with your hammer that everything is perfect equal, because in the end you will have to weld up all the cuts between it. So I'm gonna bend everything up, make that it's perfect flat here. Gonna spot weld. I don't gonna film the whole project because my battery will be empty, I think, because it's a long project. I will come back if everything is spot welded here. So all the pieces are welded against it. Now I will cut off the pieces that are too long, and I'm gonna weld from under it all the, from this side you can see it, all the cuts that I have in it, I weld up. So I'm gonna start with cutting off all the too long pieces. I have taken the car outside to weld everything for the smell. So this is the result. So I'm gonna grind everything down so you can see how it is if it's finished. So and this is the result after a lot of welding and grinding.